Annyeonghaseyo, Junlin.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so kumusta imong Christmas inday?
Happy.
Nga naman.
Nagkuy kita ng pamilya.
Tanan jud daghan ug handa no.
Gamay ra mo.
Gamay ra. Anya this coming New Year.
Like, sakto.
Simple celebration lang sa New Year. Okay, so Merry Christmas, belated Merry Christmas, and then advance Happy New Year ha. So I'm here to deliver your Dunkin Donuts 2 sets for you. Okay. Isa naghatag? Kruchi.
Uncle Kim Sarangnim, kamsahamnida, advance Happy New Year.
Okay, bye-bye. Sa'yo, Jenny niya.
Sa'yo, Kuya Rex.
Okay, so kumusta yung mga Pasko inday? Kira? Dagaganda, dagag foods. Faktor. And then this coming New Year sad. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver. You have here 2 sets of Dunkin Donuts for you. Okay. Baka kita naghatag? Kruchi. Okay.
Kim Sarangnim, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요, Kuya Rex.
Kumusta inyong Christmas inday?
Okay ra.
Okay ra. Daghan mo ganda. Okay. So yung mong mama nasa ospital no? Ayan naman.
Ipadala si Lola sa
Your harmony is in the hospital, so that's why your mother Kachino nagbantay, watch over your lola. Okay. And then ikaw Yashli, kumusta man ka? Okay ra. Samantha? Okay ra. Happy. So I'm here to deliver. You have here 2 pan of geran egg each and 3 kilogram of pork baboy from Soyong Philnim.
Uncle Soyong Philnim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Merry and Christmas and Happy good ang New Year ani.
Very happy kita ni.
Very happy. Okay, so I'm here to deliver. Each one of you will have 2 pan of geran and then pork 3 kilogram each. Teacher Merlinda, Mercy, Brianna, and Teacher Loida. Okay, and that is from Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim,
감사합니다.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
Christmas and Happy New Year.